Hi Draw So Cuties! Today we're going to draw a cute little gift box. So let's get started. To draw this gift box, we're going to first start by drawing a straight line across. So basically this is going to be your the lid for your box. From there I'm going to go right up the top of it and draw another line directly on top, parallel to this line. So come right up, about right here. And I'm just going to draw the same line right on top. And then now I'm just going to go ahead and connect it, round it off the corners, and connect it. There, so I have my lid in. Now let's come and draw the box itself. So I'm going to come right in here, give it a little bit space and come in and just draw a straight line down. So I'm going to make my box here a little bit squarish. I think it's a little bit cuter. So bring it down a little bit more. And same thing on this side. So I'm going to come in. And let's see here, about the same level now. So about right here, I'm going to go in, round off my corner. Make sure about the same level, about right there. Round off the corner and connect it with a straight line. There, got my box in. And so then from there, let's come straight up in the center, but in this area, we're going to draw our bow. So I'm going to come in here, make it a little bit easier. I'm just going to draw kind of like a dome shape for our center of the bow. And now to draw the loops of our bow. So I'm going to come up, round it off, and just bring it in. So same thing on this side. Go up, and I'm just going to quickly drag a point across so I know approximately how high my bow is going to go, about right there, and just bring it down. There. And come in here with two little curves for some details for our bow, the creases. And then now let's bring our bow, our gift box to life. So I'm going to come in here and draw two huge circles for our eyes. Draw so cute eyes to make this box extra cute. So I got two big circles, so about right here. It's always harder when you have to draw so big, right? And another circle. So then let's make them draw so cute eyes. And come in here with two smaller circles at an angle and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing on this side. Okay, so then let's come up on top of the eye. I'm just going to draw a little curve on top of each eye. And right in the center, I'm going to give him a sweet smile and cap it off. Oh, so cute, right? Okay, so then now to make this gift box extra sweet, let's come over here. We're going to draw some arms for our box. I'm going to put it right here and just draw a curve that comes in. Right there. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And just bring it curve all the way back. So give myself a little bit space. So in this area, I'm just going to draw kind of like a heart shape for the hands. So on this side, it's going to be opposite way. and just finish off your curve. And so then up here, you can decorate your gift box however you want. I'm just gonna make mine simple. I'm just gonna add some slants, some stripes, and a slant. So maybe another one here. There. And let's add some hearts because this gift box is full of love. There. I hope this inspires you to draw it for someone this Christmas or anytime, right? Thanks so much for watching. And if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.